Japan Racing Association Cup. Race number 9, replay ito sa atin ng PCSO.
Racing Funds for Charity, walang kupas.
Oh, way to go. Fast to begin and showing alertness at the start is a Yote Dico. Fairy Queen is running by Drell. Then comes Dancing Polly. About 5 deep comes Empire King, Native Land, Quiet Gal, Midnight King. Alongside comes Latiene, Real Spicy getting the widest strip. Then moving up in the middle is a Great Emma as they settle now. Going along for the first turn, posting 25.5 on the opening quarter. Dancing Polly, the early leader by all a length. Yote Digo in second. Empire King is a very close third. Then 3 lengths back and forth is a Fairy Queen. A length back to Native Land. Quiet Gal is down in 6. Then followed over by Midnight King. Racing third last now comes Great Emma. Latiene. Then followed over by Real Spicy. Posting 24.5 on the second quarter. Inside the last 600. Dancing Polly just in front. Then down on the inside is a Yote Digo, Empire King, Native Land. Latiene coming into the picture. Now we got all of them matching strides in front position. Latiene moves up to grab the lead. Midnight King now in second, doing 24.5 on the third quarter. And as they enter the last 300, Latiene is racing on the outside. Then by the rails of Fairy Queen leveling up. Midnight King, Latiene still doing his best, this time by about 2 and getting the Japan Racing Association Cup. Second, Midnight King, Fairy Queen, then comes Quiet Gal.
Quiet Gal?
Oo nga.
Nakapulot ng kwarto.
Parang 7 yata yung pang-5 rin. Alright, si Quiet Gal pumasok sa pang-4. Magkano yun?
Diado sa Pentapecta niya, tsaka quartet.
10,000 yun
Oo, tsaka diado sa Pentapecta at quartet.
Oo, at paborito nung kaibigan natin, ni Cons Verdi.
Yun.
Alright, tingnan nga natin kung anong ginawa sa Milya. Excited ako sa preba nito si Latien.
40, sarado.
Para sa mile with quarters of 25.5, 23.5, 24.5, 26.5 pa ang kanyang dating.